In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create wedding name place cards in Canva. If you're planning your special day and want those little personal touches to stand out, custom wedding name place cards are a beautiful way to add elegance and functionality to your event. Best of all, you don't need to be a professional designer to make them. I'll guide you step by step through the process using Canva, a user-friendly design platform. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. All right, let's begin. First, head over to Canva and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the Create button, usually located at the top of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in Wedding Name Place Card. This will bring up a collection of design options tailored to exactly what we're creating today. From here, you have a few choices. You can browse through the pre-designed templates and pick one that fits your vision. These templates are great if you're looking to save time, as they already include beautifully arranged elements. Alternatively, if you want complete creative control, you can select a blank canvas and design your card from scratch. Take a moment to explore the options and choose whichever route works best for you. Once you've selected a design or started with a blank canvas, click on it to open the editor. This is where the fun begins. You'll notice sample text on the template. Double-click on the text to edit it. Replace the placeholder text with your guest names. If you have a long guest list, don't worry, we'll cover how to duplicate the design for each guest a little later. Now, let's make sure the font matches your wedding theme. You can adjust the font style, size, and color by selecting the text and using the options in the top toolbar. Choose a font that complements the overall aesthetic of your wedding. For instance, a script font works beautifully for elegant themes, while modern fonts might suit more contemporary styles. Adjust the font color as well, ensuring it harmonizes with your wedding's color palette. This step is essential for creating a cohesive look that ties into your overall decor. Next, let's move on to the design elements. Canva offers a wide range of creative options to personalize your place cards. You can add floral illustrations, geometric shapes, or even simple icons to enhance your design. Use the Elements tab on the left-hand side to search for graphics that fit your theme. For example, if your wedding has a rustic vibe, you might look for greenery or hand-drawn flowers. Drag and drop these elements onto your design and arrange them however you'd like. And remember, you can always upload your own images or graphics to make the design uniquely yours. After adding the decorative elements, it's time to adjust the color palette. To do this, click on any design element or background and use the color picker tool in the top toolbar. Select colors that align perfectly with your wedding theme, whether it's soft pastels, bold jewel tones, or classic monochromes. Customizing the colors ensures that your place cards feel like an extension of your overall wedding vision. Once you're happy with the design, take a moment to preview your card. Imagine how it will look sitting at each place setting on your tables. This is a great way to double-check that everything aligns with your vision before moving forward. Now that your first card is ready, it's time to duplicate the design for additional guests. To do this, use the Duplicate Page button, usually located at the top of the editor. This will create an exact copy of your design on a new page. Replace the name on each duplicated card with the next guest's name. Keep in mind that if you have a large guest list, this step might take some time, but it's worth it to ensure consistency across all your place cards. When all your cards are ready, it's time to save your work. Click the Download button, typically found in the top right corner of Canva's interface. Choose the PDF format for the best quality, and make sure to select the option for print quality. This will ensure your cards look crisp and professional when printed. Finally, print your cards on good quality cardstock. Using cardstock instead of regular paper will give your place cards a polished, professional feel, and they'll stand up well on the tables. If you don't have a printer at home, you can take the PDF file to a local print shop or use an online printing service. And that's it. You've just created beautiful, personalized wedding name place cards in Canva. With these steps, you can add a thoughtful and stylish touch to your wedding decor while keeping the process simple and enjoyable. If you have any questions or need help with another design project, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.